In this tutorial, we will describe which are prerequisites for the use of the application, how to access it, and how to successfully log in with Commissioner Access data. After logging, we will briefly explain the appearance of the application. Because of the ease of use by users and cheaper development, application records of beekeepers and apiaries works on the client-server principle. This means that the server contains all necessary applications and all data, while the client computer must have installed one of the latest browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc., and must have access to the Internet. Since most computers today meet these requirements, this application can be accessed at any time and at any place with Internet access. So the first thing we need to do is to open the latest version of some web browser. And now in the address bar we enter the web location of application. In this case we enter bzedoma.dindns.org. Now we are presented with the login page of the application. After that, we need to choose the language in which we want to work within the application. In this case, we will click on English. Once we change the language, on the home page it is possible to see a short description, and we can sign in with a username and password. As I said previously, in this example, we will log in as a commissioner. That is, we will see how this application looks when it is used by the commissioner. So we enter a username and password, and then press the enter key on the keyboard or press the button login. Now that we are successfully logged in, we see the initial screen of application. It can be divided into three parts, which are the main toolbar, notices, and codebooks. In the main bar we see the application name, and whenever we click on it, it will lead us to this initial screen. In the bar right corner there is another button which shows the name of the user who is logged in into the application. If the user clicks on this button, he may read help, which contains detailed instructions for using the application. Or he can log out. The next part of the application refers to notices. As the name suggests, here are placed all the information with which we want to inform the users. The last thing there is are codebooks. Codebook can be defined as a directory, list, or database of entity. In it are recorded values of various attributes, that is, features that are associated with a particular entity. In this application, entities are divided into counties, municipalities, sites, hive types, beekeeping types, activity types, transport types, beekeepers associations, medicines, and beekeepers.